Hi all. The analytical service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. If you're interested, you can put a stop bet. We suggest that you study all the parameters of the organization under study more closely. Now we will look at the current fundamental indicators of the company. Target Corp, ticker TGT. This review is based on current data as of May 22, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets organization Target Corp belongs to the subcategory Retail Product. 35 companies are participating in the assessment, and this is quite representative. The overall result for the company under study is as follows, 4.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1 point. If you look very broadly within the market as a whole, you can see that the average result for the US stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a 4.5 rating for the company Target Corporation. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price Target Corp and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the shares Target Corp showed a dynamics of minus 41.9%. 37% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Target Corporation amounts to $42.25 billion. With a capitalization of the subcategory of $1,456 billion. Target Corporation accounts for a share of 2.902%. It is one of the small companies in the subcategory. The company's book value is $14.94 billion. With a book capitalization of $187 billion, the subcategory is worth $187 billion. Target Corp accounts for 7.995%. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share Target Corp in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 2.902%. Book value capitalization is 7.995%, which is 175% more than the market value share. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debts amount to $18.978 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 127% of the company's equity. The company's debt rating, bad, minus 1 point. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 10.1. The average in the subcategory is 39.3, which is 74% lower than in the subcategory. The company's market value to profit ratio compared to companies in the subcategory is very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $4,185 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $3,780 million. This is 9.7% less than the current level. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.4. The average in subcategory 1 is 60% lower than the subcategory average. Evaluation of the company's stock price to revenue ratio compared to the subcategory indicators, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $105,870 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is provisionally estimated at $95.63 billion. And this is 10% less than at the current moment. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The marginality is 3.9%, with an average in the subcategory of 2.4%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 1.5%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 11.079%. This is 282% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $96,000. While for the subcategory it is $367,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 73.8%. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is $9,500. Average in the subcategory, $9,300. And the difference between the average in the subcategory and the company's performance is 2%. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee is $241,000. In the subcategory, there are $381,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 58%. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 3.7%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.8%. This is an indicator of possible short squeeze risk. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 42% for the company Target Corporation. While for the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 55%. The company's actual share price is around $93.02. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $110. The dynamics of the current price and the consensus forecast is equal to approximately 19%. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the information and reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of securities Target Corporation, information and reference system of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Do not open the order, as the video is an overview. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information system, Guru.Markets.